Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. I just wanted to point out we are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. And this is actually the CME Bitcoin. And I just wanted to make sure you are aware that the CME closed at 19,575 and Ethereum closed at 1427. And right now Ethereum is about $10 higher, but Bitcoin is about $400 higher. So you should be expecting a little bit of pullback on Bitcoin into CME Open today, which is logical. Here is the daily chart of Bitcoin. And I just realized I have other indicators on. There we go, much better. So as you can see right now on that last daily close, we had a nice upward move, but we are finding some resistance already. The goal is for the EMA not to cross under the 21 EMA. If we can go sideways and find some buys coming in due to this volume that's lackluster, if we can get some buy volume coming in and close today's daily candle at the 21 or above the 21, it will give the other lower EMA an opportunity to go to the 55, also bringing our price action along with it, confirming that yes, we are being accumulated in this consolidation zone and looking for higher prices. If this price does not come up or go sideways and down and 9 EMA goes under the 21 EMA, I will confirm that yes, you're looking for much lower levels, and this is on a daily time frame. Okay, going to a 4-hour. Well, quickly right here on the daily, since volume is going down, if we do get a push up, the 21 will be acting as hard resistance here at 20,400 to 20,500, and then the next one is 20,000. Oh, well, we had 20,800 as well, and then the next one is the 55 EMA, which is going to be around 21.4. So basically, around 20,400 and 21,400, that $1,000 increment level is where you're going to be finding the most resistance to the top side. Aside from that, now let's go to the 4-hour. This does look like a W in the formation, but we need price to prove it to us. We are still fighting this $20,300, $20,400 level resistance. As soon as we start opening and closing 4-hour candles above 20,500, we should be looking for the next level of resistance around 20,800, and then we can look for that 21.4 and higher, depending on these 4-hour candle closes. We want to see volume, we want to see accumulation, we want to go to the upside. If we do get rejected by this 21 EMA on this 4-hour candle, I'm going to be looking for us to sweep the lows, and it's going to be mean because we have about $400 or $500 price action of a gap, so we should probably go test these lows, and if we break them, then we will be looking for much lower, like 18.5, 18.6, or even lower like 17.6, which is the last wick. So keep your eye on the market today. When CME opens, that's where we're going to get the most volatility. Okay, let's go to the daily on Ethereum. We're going to make this video real quick today and meet up with the people on Discord to scalp. I was in a ape coin short earlier today. I took profit around 30-some%. And then I was in a Solana short in this morning, and I took profit, but only like 5-6% on 50x leverage, which was basically nothing. I just closed out of that trade because it was getting close to the 930, and I didn't want to ride that to see any upside pump wreck my situation on there. So here we are at the Ethereum daily chart. We are seeing volume subside. We are under all our EMAs. It looks like we are finding weakness. The one thing I didn't want to see on Bitcoin, it's already happening over here, such as pushing off under the 21 EMA, and the EMAs are just confirming that the sell pressure is there. Now, if you go and look at 4-hour, well, even if we find support here going sideways, when we go to test the upside, we're going to have hard resistance over here at 1580, although basically up to 1630, because we've been fighting 1575 to 1630 and then 1420 support on the bottom. So we're going to have to either lose that 1420 support to break to the downside, or we're going to claim that well, first it's 1500 and then $1620, $1630 range for looking for a move up, basically playing out this inverse head and shoulder setup to basically the 200 and higher around 1975 to 2100. So that's what we're gonna have to go look and wait for. And daily close is a long time away. So let's go look at the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, all the EMAs are already on the bearish stance. If we do go sideways like this, the possibilities of testing to the 21 or the 55 will be there, and we can look for the rejection coming in after that. But right now we are just going sideways and accumulating. I would say if we go test to the upside with a 4-hour close above 1480, we can look for the test to 1550 and higher. But we need to at least have open and closes hourlies above 1480 for us to consider that. Otherwise, if we start seeing rejection around 1480 to 1500, assuming that's going to just roll over, and Ethereum is probably going to go to the downside as Bitcoin fills that CME gap. So just be very, very aware and conscious of that situation. Aside from that, guys, that's all we're really looking for. It's weekend low volume magic, so be on the guard for volatility wicks. Ideally, if you're trying to trade, try to wait for larger candle closes like 2-hour candles or 4-hour candles, and that will help you not get caught in the mix of the volatility as prices are trying to accumulate or distribute at certain levels of support and resistance. Aside from that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so you guys get these real-time updates as they come out. If there are other assets you would like to cover, please leave it in the section below and I will share you that chart. And if you would like to scalp along and trade with us, we will be on the Discord live. So please feel free to join us on the Discord, which is in the description of this video below. Alright guys, well, aside from that, there is a little bit of inclement weather. There's a hurricane here in Puerto Rico, so if I am not on a little bit later, it just might be due to internet issues. So if not today, I will be there for our normal video tomorrow, and worst case scenario, if everything is messed up, I will do a cell phone TA, classic original cell phone TA video. Thank you so much guys. Once again, have a great weekend, enjoy yourself, be safe, and I will talk to you later. Hope to see you in the Discord. Adios.